Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Home Assistant add-ons and backups using Supervisor step by step. To begin, access your Home Assistant interface. Open the Supervisor panel from the sidebar. Navigate to the Add-on Store tab. Find the add-on you want to transfer. Click on the add-on to open its details. Take note of the configuration settings. Return to the Supervisor main screen. Select the Backups tab. Click on the Create Backup button. Ensure that you include the add-on in the backup settings. Confirm the creation of the backup. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once the backup is finished, download the backup file to your local machine. Now, move to your new Home Assistant instance. Open the Supervisor panel on the new setup. Go to the Backups tab again. Click on the Upload Backup button. Select the previously downloaded backup file from your local machine. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once the upload is done, click on the backup file in the list. Choose the option to restore the backup. Wait for the restoration process to finalize. After restoration, navigate back to the add-on store. Locate the add-on you transferred. Open the add-ons details page. Review the configuration settings to ensure they match your requirements. Adjust any settings if necessary. Finally, click on the Start button to activate the add-on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.